Hello, we will look at sum and difference identities for tangent. Make sure that you watch the sum and difference identities for sine and cosine videos first. Okay, let's get started. We are looking for a formula. I'll actually derive this. This is kind of fun. We are looking for a formula for tangent a plus b. Okay, now I know that tangent is sine over cosine, so it's sine a plus b over cosine a plus b. Alright, now let's remember what sine a plus b formula was. That was the cycle formula, and it looks something like that. Sine a cosine b plus sine b cosine a. I remember that from the previous video. And what was the cosine a plus b? That was cosine formula. Cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. Cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. Here's a trick. Divide top and bottom by, because I want to get tangent, okay? Cosine a cosine b. Alright, so what do you get? Sine a cosine b cosine a cosine b plus sine b cosine a cosine b over cosine a cosine b cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b over cosine a cosine b. Alright, clean it up. Oh, here we go. What is sine a cosine a? Tangent a plus what do I have? Sine b cosine b, which is tangent b. What is this one? So that is 1 minus. What is that? Sine a cosine b. So that is tangent a. And what's this one? Sine. Oh, sorry. I marked it wrong. So let's do it again. Sine b cosine b is here. So that's tangent b. And sine a cosine a, that's tangent a. So what do I have? Tangent a plus tangent b over 1 minus tangent a tangent b is actually, what did I start with? Tangent a plus b. You can do the derivation yourself. This is your first formula. And your second formula is like this. What is going to change is, remember, this plus, and then you have a minus here. So if you have a minus, you're going to end up with minus here, and then the opposite at the bottom. Okay, here's your formula 2. It's nice and colorful. Now, let's write down what I have. An application. Okay, they may say, okay, what the heck is tangent of 105 degrees? And again, you need to write this as 2 degrees, you know. What do you know? 30, 45, 60. Okay, so I know 105 is, you do some mental math, tangent of 45 degrees plus 60 degrees. So let's write the formula with the plus. The plus formula is going to have plus on the top and negative at the bottom. So you're going to have tangent 45 plus tangent 60, plus on top, negative at the bottom. Tangent 45, tangent 60. What's tangent 45? 1. What's tangent 60? Rad 3. 1. 45 is 1. Tangent 60, rad 3. So what do you have? 1 plus rad 3, 1 minus rad 3. You can rationalize that if you want. You multiply top and bottom by 1. Let's rationalize the denominator. 1 plus rad 3. So what do you end up with on top? It's a binomial expansion, so it's going to be 1 plus 2 rad 3 plus rad 3, that's 3. And what do you have at the bottom? You're going to have the first one squared, 1. Second one squared, that's 3. What is that? Negative 2. Okay, and you can also write 3 plus 1. Let's clean this up a little bit. So that's going to be 4 plus 2 rad 3 over negative 2. Divide by negative 2. You're going to have 4 divided by negative 2, that's negative 2. 2 divided by negative 2, that's negative 1. Here we go. This is as clean as it gets.